Ladies and gentlemen, here we are about to go live. Game 1, April 28th. 2 days before Valpurgis knocked. He rips it. King is back. Game 1, first period, 13 minutes on the clock. Sticks are flying already, kids. Out with towels. Bowling rips it over to Kelly. Keeps it in. That is in. Nice pass over to Bowling. Good shot. Quick goal. King to Bowling. Beautiful play. 1-0 Blizz. Nice play. All right, up to a quick 1-0 lead. Blizz. King's ripping it up. Flips it over. A little too hot for Bowling, wrong angle, but see who comes out with it. Kept in by Stone. Right there. Selena tries a baby. Fighted out by Kelly. Nice play there. Team holds it. Stolen away somehow. Ooh, we've got men offside. All right, Rudy regathering the group here. Yeah, I really killed the momentum of that breakout. Plays it deep. Played it by Toilet, but stolen right back by Nestor. In the zone, onside, Nestor has it. He shoots. Kept in, nice play. Good back check there by Highfield, kitchen party. Holy cow, that'll be fun. Pass up the window. Let's play by Bowling because have to just get it out of the way. Victor Cabito. Nice pass. Oh! This is boiling hard. Mr. Knightmare is just going coast to coast. Oh, body contact in the front of it. Hair comes out with it. Thank you, Talvito. Got Hatter and Hair with him. Gives it to the Ghost Man. Markowski handles it. Nice pass over there to Frank Talvito. Frank claps it. Ooh! Glove down, but he didn't handle it clean. Delayed penalty on the call. It was Mr. Knightmare. Minor penalty. We'll have a Blizz power play. That's the last thing the Knightmare needs. Sounds like a nightmare. Ooh, sails over the head. That's probably, nope, it is waved off. Oh yeah, do a power play. Here comes King, Rick rolling off the ice. He can get it into the zone clean. Chases the zone bump. Loses it temporarily. See if Hatter can get to it. I bet Bowling will. Yep. Flipped out of the zone. Nice clear. But looking to rip it to somebody. No. Just got an airport on me here. Pass over there. Zach does here, takes him to the zone, he's outside. Play will continue. Good pass up front to Harris, doesn't get through. Bowling trying to rip it out of zone. Harris brings it in front. Stolen by Rudy, still in the zone. Nice key, 65. King blasted, just wide of the net. Rip it. Gathered up by King, nice play. Hey, Ballard has it. Looking to clear the zones. He does. On net to the goaltender. Rudy chasing hard. Looking to make something happen. He gets the ball. Short-handed. Good effort there by Rudy Lyon, munching some minutes on that penalty kill. Betts is hustling back. Ooh, it is out of the zone. Nice pass. Can't say he didn't try. Hey, Jake. Dude, you should have come to the show last night. It was a blast.
I didn't know who that was.
Oh, yeah. They were good, though. The second band was super good. Ooh, good attempt. Bowling comes out with it anyway. Off Tubby stick into the zone. Bowling with the puck right. Maybe oh, beautiful play. Bowling, Telvito, Palimas. Nice play. Dude, Jake, that was sick.
He said one more.
All right, we're now even strength. Howell's in there. He's so quick. Maybe. Knightmare need one. It's probably going to be an icing. There it is. Face up down here. Just over 5 minutes to play at first. 2 goals now. Flip that of the zone. Definitely going to be an icing. Back here. Telvito may have a breakaway. What's Decker going to do? Good back check. Still gets a shot. Bowling has it. Nobody in front. There he is. Here's Frank. Now it's out. Frank's playing down low. Sniffing around the net. Frank and Telvito. Held in by one of the two bodies, not sure which. That spins around, gets a shot. Right in the gut, held. Oh, just misses it. Got some D-man hustling on. nice move by Zach Betts. Puck's still loose. Jordan clears it. Still in the zone though. Nice play by Ian Burns. Ooh, nice pass over to Boylan. Boylan gets it. Safe. Face off one and then almost lost. Out of the zone. King call for the goalie. Pass over to Sony, nice and clean. Really addressing the ball quickly. Boylan has it. Oh. Passing intercepted by Reedy. Now it's a 3-on-1. Good shot. Gets his own rebound. No big deal. That's fired out of the zone. That's going to be an icing. How's it going, Nate Dogg? What's new?
How's life?
Pretty good, yeah. We came up in conversation yesterday. I went with Jordan and Mark to a punk show for High Five, and I was like, we need to get the boys back and do a disc golf round.
Yeah, that'd be blast.
He's always playing tournaments and stuff, but
I was actually thinking about this weekend.
yeah.
Super nice, and I was like, man,
There's a Brookside league. I actually just went last week for the first time ever. Basically, you show up, you pay $5, and you play. And if you pay for whatever, you get some cash back. It was fun. Yeah, I had a good time. It's also nice to just be able to walk to it as well. I don't think if there's anything big news. There's a big ice hockey tournament this weekend, but our team got bumped. Yeah, so I'm not playing and I'm pissed off about it. I want to do a drop-in first. So whenever the drop-ins come back, I haven't played this sport yet. So I want to play this sport before I, yeah, I'm not sure. No, I haven't played this. I know, right? I've repped it. Oh, for sure. Well, dude, it's always been way too much running for me, and I am not gonna stay away from that stance. All right, at the end of the first period, we got 2-1. Liz came out hard.
I sent some clips of me to my buddies.
Yeah.
They were like, oh, that guy that is doing the announcing. That's not part of the game. I said he's just talking because he's probably bored over there by himself.
Oh yeah, I'm fucking around.
Yeah, that's what I was like. He's not like an announcer. Like we're not. That's not been playing.
If we could set that up with a media booth, that would be dope.
Yeah, that would be great.
Or do overlay, because yeah, now I know most of these dudes' names.
Right. Yeah.
I'm sure that'll change immediately with the Coliseum Hockey League. It'll be sweet. I heard about that. So I didn't know that they ever drained that ice. Like, because I've seen Unity play there, I've seen Butler play there. Yeah, I would love to catch more college hockey in general. It is fun, and it's not televised for shit either. Say again? Oh yes, Fair State, absolutely.
That's where I went to college in.
Oh, that's top
I
notch.
went like 2 years after the students went with them to the national championship.
Wow.
It was the sport. Like,
Oh, absolutely.
It was so much fun. For like $5 in the TV section.
Yep.
It was the best hockey.
That's pimp. No, I bet that was
Got me
great.
back into it. Like,
Very cool.
as a kid, we were here in Detroit. And like, never to the degree once I went to Fair. So, that was
Have you been to a Wings game this year? All right, sick.
I always go into that podcast and get like discounted tickets, and then they usually give me some shit. So like, they give away a Wings jersey. It's not like a Wings full-on Wings jersey. It's like a long, better quality version of like this.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
It's free shit.
It is. And the ticket's cheaper, and the money goes to a substance use disorder charity to help kids that are going through substance use disorder.
Incredible.
The Red Wings lead announcer died from a fentanyl overdose, so he like started this organization.
Holy cow!
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Yeah.
Woo!
That's kind of how they got connected with him. Because the Wings sucked so much ass.
How long ago was that? Okay.
But they were so bad that they were trying, every time the Wings didn't score on a power play, they were like donating 100 extra bucks or something, and it got up to like 25 in a row.
Oh my god.
And so it caught the attention of the announcers, and yeah.
That's hilarious.
And now they're like buddies with him, and they're talking with him. It's pretty cool.
That is very cool.
And their events went from like, I mean, they have like 15 guys there, now they have like 400. Like it's wild.
Bonkers. Yeah, very cool to see that. Yeah, I've barely spent any time in Detroit, really. I've barely spent any time in Detroit. Yeah, I'm sure there's a lot of cool. I'm always a fan of like some just hole in the wall restaurant or like bar. I'm sure there's a shit ton of that. Yeah. That would be cool. Cool. Oh my. Well, if you guys ever do that, keep me in the loop. I'd be down if the time works. I still think they missed an opportunity to call it Little Caesar's Palace.
There's a few names. Oh, it was the Dojo. Because the older one was called the Joe Louis Arena. So they were like, we should call the new one the Dojo. Because it's
The Dojo.
dough. Like, and I thought that was.
Oh, cute. I do like
I thought that would
that.
have been cool, but obviously didn't stick. So.
That's cute.
Whenever I do the fantasy, my teams are always like the $5 hot and shit.
Yeah.
Good to see that.
Yeah, likewise, man. Do you play second? I assume second game. Oh, lovely.
Lots of fun.
Well, good luck, Bill. Oh, shit, now it goes. Nice pass. Nice move. Bets over to Edinburgh. Odd pass. Oh, I think it's still in. I did not catch that on camera. Really straddled the line. Over to Boylan. Boylan. Oh, bouncing ball. Held by the goalie. One more man needed on the playing surface. Nice swing there by Stillman on the draw. Drop back. There's a goal. Frank Talvita to hair. That brings the score 3-1. Blizz. Late man, open, king. That was interesting. Bounces hard off the backboards. Stillman brings it in. Of the king. Russian hand again. Over the hair. Oh, he misses. Still in. Oh, still in. Nice play. Nice pass over to Stillman. Yeah. Nice play. Calvito to Stillerman, just like high school. Nice goal. Oh, nice pass. Deflected, still in play. Polinas has it. Over to Betts, no? Intercepted by Howell. Howell dumps and really chases. Play by Polinas. Don't be winding. Back again. Mr. Knightmare. All right, 65 king call for the slash. I'd say there were probably a few. Oh, she falls over the crowd. All right, 4-1 score. Bulls are up. 2-minute penalty. Power play. Knightmare. Pass over to Rudy. Shot. Nice pass back to Nestor. Gets it. Blocked by Calvito. Good block. It's going to clear. Ooh, Boylan almost catches him up. Now they may have an odd man rush with Boylan. Oh, Boylan caught up. Nice pass. Ooh, that's a hard shot. Ooh. To Nestor. Nice block by Nestor, saved it. Oh, Frankie eats it. boy, I think Telvito just got blasted by the ball. In the ball. Really good hustle there by Nestor. Still makes the pass to Rudy. That's just gonna get it over the line. Here comes Hare coming in hot. Missed the pass. Oh, Ballard. Ooh, nice play. Almost. Still lose, wow. Lots of chances. Line pass, yeah. You guys and gals at home, this is a Blizzard team without Darren Freeds. There's a goal, Ballard. All right, Knightmare bring it 2-4. Scored by Ballard. About 25 seconds running in the second period. Game 1, April 28th. Did you get in the... Frank, did you get hit in the balls? I heard you. You're like, blow the whistle. All right, confirmed. Frank Telvito did get hit in the testicles by that ball. Poor guy. This is why you wear a cup, bro. I would. All right. That buzzer is the end of the second period. Let's peek over the scoreboard here. At the end of the second, it's 4-2 Blizzard over the Knightmare. April 28th. This is game 1. Unofficial sponsor. Here we are beginning the third period. 4-2 Blizzard lead. Moving straight. Ooh, Palima scores. Makes it look easy. See if we get a move. Commanding lead now by the Blizz. 5-2. Wide open he was. Oh man. Didn't get enough momentum on either of those passes. Oh, I guess the Knightmare didn't just go with that. Oh, Kowski unable to keep it. Pass right to Blauman. And Boylan has it right back. Edenburn, what's he gonna do with it? Nice, right through the legs. Looking for a shot, he's gonna, no, doesn't get one. That's not the Nowakowski. Lost it. Boylan has it. Shoots. Still loose in front. Oh, still can't get it through. That King has it. Nice pass over to Boylan. Boylan. Pass over to Betts. Steal there by King. Pass a little bit too far. It's the roof. I think he did that because he wanted to change. first. Step. That says it. Yeah, you should shut that.
Stop.
Ring around. Over to Ballard. Nice keep. Oh. Good shot. Still lose. That was risky. Didn't have much time there. Still touching. Go, take that ice. What was that? Oh, still kept in. nice pass. That's a nice area. There we go. 5-2 final. Game 1.